In the Tenada app, there are various functions that make the added text even more stylish. You can choose and customize the designs provided in the app. If you enter the text, you can select the design of the text right away. Explore various styles and choose the one you like. Frequently used designs can be bookmarked and easily accessed. To edit the design, go to the Edit tab. Try changing the color of the selected design. You can press the plus button to choose your favorite color. Use the slider to adjust the transparency level. Next, let's add an outline to the text. First, choose the color and adjust the transparency and thickness. If you don't need an outline, press the None button. You can also set the same for neon. Select color and adjust transparency, distance from the text outline, and blur level. You can also use shadows to emphasize text or create a sense of space. First, choose the shadow style that you like. There are shadows that look like reflections in water, back shadows, backlit shadows, shadows that appear on walls, and shadows that appear to be floating in midair. Choose the shadow you want. Use the slider to adjust transparency and blur. You can use this slider to make the shadow larger or smaller, and also can choose a color that complements the background. If you want to adjust the position of the shadow, go to the Move tab and adjust the shadow to fit your video.